How to use AmpleNote Task, Calendar, and Notes for better productivity. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In this video, I'll show you how to use Ample's Notes Task, Calendar, and Notes to boost your productivity and stay organized like a pro. Let's dive right in. First is Task. Create tasks directly within your notes for seamless integration. Use task importance and urgency scores to auto-prioritize your to-dos. Set due dates, reminders, and recurring tasks to stay on track. Link tasks to specific notes for better context management. Just use the top priority filter to focus only on what matters most each day. Second is let's go to the calendar. Drag and drop tasks into the calendar to schedule time blocks easily. Sync with external calendars like Google, Outlook, and more for a unified scheduling. Visualize deadlines, meetings, and tasks all in one place. And supports recurring events and time-specific reminders. Use the calendar view to plan your day in advance and avoid overbooking yourself. Third is Notes. Create rich text notes with support and backlinks and tags. Organize notes in a flexible hierarchy for better information flow. Use note linking to connect related ideas and projects. Attach files, images, and web links to comprehensive documentation. Combine notes with tasks using the Jots feature to quickly capture thoughts and convert them into actionable items later. Now, why AmpleNote boosts productivity? Use tasks for managing your priorities and keeping track on to-dos. Use the calendar for effective time management and scheduling. And use notes to build knowledge based on seamless your projects. By integrating all three, you'll have a powerful system for staying organized, focused, and productive. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.